Hi, today we're looking at this power strip. This one has multiple different US outlets, so then that way you are able to plug in and charge up to 8 things. There's 4 standard US outlets, there's 2 USBs, and then 2 C ports that you are able to charge with. And these are different outlets, meaning that they are made to keep foreign objects out in case you have a kid sticking a fork in there or something like that. This is made to be able to prevent that. They are also a little bit harder to get your plugs into, but that is a good thing. You're gonna have to apply a little bit of force to get them in. They'll loosen up after a while, but then that way that just shows their extra protection there. This is IP6 water resistant, so if it gets wet, it's just going to stop and not short anything out. It's going to let the water drain out, and then your stuff's not going to fry or anything like that. So it has that safety on there. It has the overheat protection on it. You are able to mount it to the wall or just lay it anywhere, somewhere, anything you want. It has 2 holes for those hanging options if you'd like to do that. This has a PVC and a ABS shell, so in that way it keeps everything protected. It stays in good shape, high quality, helps charge your items, keep them powered, keeps them from overheating or shorting out, anything like that. It has the on and off switch here, so you can go ahead, turn it off, and you can turn that on to reset it. And this is even covered in silicone. You have the 45-degree outlet plug here, so that way it's easy to get behind furniture. And this is great for an office, kitchen, entertainment center, wherever you need more plugs, and having it to be around water, but hopefully not even getting wet.